Time to celebrate, boys and girls. It's our anniversary. Kohle Audio Kult, the Academy, just turned 2 years already. How cool is that? And that means we are doing our biggest sale ever. Until November the 1st, it's 33% off the Kohle Audio Kult membership. Quarterly membership, yearly membership. And this is your only chance to get a discount on the membership this year. Use the discount code CULT333 to get the membership at the lowest rate ever. And the cool thing about the membership is that you receive everything we have ever released from day one. Let's just assume you join Kohle Audio Kult now. Let's have a look what's included. What about the included plugins? What about Rotten Pool Verb or the La Boga distortion? The membership also includes all our mixing rituals, all our mixing courses. That means you can mix a Paradise Lost song, you can mix a Motorhead song, yes, the original Multitracks, but you can also mix a power metal song from Firewind or black metal with Kanonenfieber, and there's so much more from a lot of different metal genres, a lot of songs that you can mix, and the mixing rituals always include a mix rundown by the original producer. Or what about our bigger courses that I included? What about recording and mixing drums with Nolly Getgood? What about mastering metal with Ermin Hamidovic? What about my good old high gain guitar tone crafting course, where I show you how to dial in great guitar tones for different metal genres? What about recording bass guitar with no other than Dave Ellefson? Or what about tracking guitars with John Brown and Monuments? You see, there's a lot in there. And finally, and this is maybe the most precious thing inside this academy and something that you don't get anywhere else. When we do our mixing rituals, all the cult members can get a personal mix review, a personal mix feedback from me. Yes, I will listen to your mix and tell you what you can improve. And we've just scratched the surface. Just have a look. There's so much more inside the cult. And once again, the first day you join, you get all what I just mentioned and even more, because you're going to be a part of a great community. And I'm pretty sure it will make your recording, mixing, and mastering skills a lot better. Once again, 33% off the membership. Your only chance to get a discount this year. Get the membership now. Join the cult. I see you in there. Thanks for watching.